Exciting news for Apple fans, the iPad mini 7 might be getting a major upgrade soon. If you've been waiting for an update to this compact powerhouse, you're not alone. Rumors are swirling that the iPad mini 7 could be just around the corner. Rumors about iPad mini 7. Let's dive into what we've been hearing. All details are still sketchy. There are some interesting speculations about what might change with the iPad mini 7 and what could stay the same. Apple is known for its secrecy, but the buzz around this new model is hard to ignore. With Apple's next big event potentially on the horizon, many are wondering if we'll see this update sooner rather than later. Why is everyone so excited? The last iPad mini update was in September 2021. That's nearly 3 years ago, which is a significant gap in the fast-moving tech world. Plus, there's talk of an Apple event scheduled for September 9th. Could this be when we finally get to see the iPad mini 7? There are a few signs suggesting that an iPad mini update might be imminent. For one, the stock of iPad minis in Apple stores is running low. When Apple is preparing to release a new model, it often starts to clear out inventory of the current version. Another hint is the rise of Apple Intelligence across its devices. Apple is known for integrating its technologies, so improvements in one area might signal updates in another. Possible changes. So what changes can we expect in the iPad mini 7? Let's break it down. Display. The iPad mini is likely to keep its 8.3-inch LCD display. However, Apple might address the jelly scrolling issue that some users have experienced. This could mean a smoother viewing experience overall. Processor. We might see a significant boost in performance. There's speculation that the iPad mini 7 could come with an upgraded processor, possibly the M1, M2, A17 Pro, or even the A18 chip. Such an upgrade would make the device faster and more powerful. Cameras. Changes might also be in store for the cameras. The front camera could be repositioned to the long edge of the tablet, which would improve the experience for video calls. The rear camera might get an upgrade of 48 megapixels, enhancing photo quality. There could be updates to support the new Apple Pencil Pro. This would offer additional features and improve functionality for those who use the iPad mini for drawing or note-taking. In summary, the iPad mini 7 is expected to introduce several intriguing upgrades that could enhance its functionality and performance. Potential improvements include a refined display that addresses the jelly scrolling issue, a more powerful processor possibly upgrading to the M1, M2, A17 Pro, or A18 chip, and enhanced camera capabilities with a 48MP rear camera and a repositioned front camera. Additionally, it might offer support for the new Apple Pencil Pro, which would be beneficial for creative tasks. Despite these exciting prospects, it's important to remember that these details are based on rumors and speculation. The official confirmation of these updates will only come once Apple makes a formal announcement. So, stay tuned and watch out for the rumored Apple event on September 9th, which could provide the definitive information about the iPad mini 7's features and release. As excitement builds around the iPad mini 7, it's clear that Apple fans have a lot to look forward to. With potential updates that could enhance performance, display quality, and camera capabilities, this could be a noteworthy release. Remember, until Apple makes an official announcement, these are just rumors and speculation. Be sure to stay tuned for the upcoming event on September 9th, as it may hold the key to unveiling what's next for the iPad mini. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and news on releases.